In this video, I'm gonna show you how simple and easy it is to make your own homemade mayonnaise. But why? Why? Because mayonnaise that we buy in the supermarket, even if we pick the one that says olive oil, the first ingredient is always canola oil, and we don't want the seed oil, of course. And also there's all these extra preservatives, ingredients that we don't even know. So make it at home. It's so simple, only a few ingredients, and it's done in no time. I will show you how quick it is. Today I'm going to use the hand mixer. If you haven't got one of them, I can put a link in the description so you can find one. But if you don't have one, you can still use the hand method, the good old whisk. And if you do use the whisk, I suggest you use a heavy bowl. This one is glass bowl. The reason is that you're gonna have to beat and pour the oil at the same time, so you cannot hold your bowl. So if you don't have a heavy one, put a wet towel under your stainless steel bowl and it will do the same. So that works with the whisk. But when I'm doing it here with my hand mixer, you will see that it takes no time. So let's get going with the mayonnaise. Very simple. So we have one egg here. It's an organic egg. I'm using my glass jar already, so it's already in the jar where it's gonna stay. So one egg, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. You can measure it about like this. Okay, that's right. And then 1 little pinch of salt, pink Himalayan salt. So all the ingredients are here, but except the oil. So we're gonna start by mixing this a little bit, and then after that we'll start pouring the oil. So I'm going in right the bottom with my mixer. Excuse me for the noise. Okay, now you don't have to stop completely, but I wanted to show how this is just like a bit liquid. So we don't expect it to be thick yet, but watch what's happened when we start adding the oil. Now, that's when you go with your whisk as well, if you're using the whisk, and start whisking and start pouring at the same time. And we're gonna go slow with the oil. I'm using avocado oil. You can use, if you like, you can use the olive oil, but it will taste the olive oil. It's got a stronger taste. So I like to use the avocado oil. So let's go with our oil. Slowly pouring here, just very slowly. You can see now that it's really getting really thick. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, and thank you for watching. I'm gonna use about 1.5 cup of oil in here, so I'm just gonna keep going with this. Wow! Look at the consistency. Mayonnaise. Perfect mayonnaise. And you can keep this for about a week or a week and a half in your fridge, and it's healthy, you know what's in it, and it's delicious. Let me try. I'll tell you, it tastes like mayonnaise, of course. Better. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell so you can be notified every time there's a new video. So if you are making your own mayonnaise, if you're trying this recipe, leave us a comment below, or if you have other tips to make your perfect mayonnaise, we want to know, right? You can use it for sandwiches, salads, wherever you use your mayonnaise, it's the best. Bon appétit!